Today, I'll start with few ratios connected to calculation of gain ratio, 6 marks, and calculation of new profit sharing ratio, 6 marks under retirement of a partner. So quite easier one. So hope you will be able to understand much easier than ratios under admission of a partner. So here I'll take problem number 1, page 50 in question booklet. Ankit, Suchit, and Chandru are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. That means old ratio is given. Ankit retires from the firm. Ankit is the first partner, retires from the firm. Suchit and Chandru agree to share in the ratio of 5:3 in future. Calculate gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru. This is the problem given. Calculation of gain ratio. Problem number 1. Page number 50. Share gained is equal to new share minus old share. This is the formula. So let us go for the old partner, continuing partners. What will be the share? Ankit retires, first partner. Suchit and Chandru continues. We'll check the Suchit and Chandru's gain ratio. Suchit, the new share of Suchit, 5:3 means 5/8 minus old share of Suchit. Suchit is the second partner. 4:3:2. So 3 belongs to Suchit. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 7, 9. So 3/9. So let us simplify. Numerators multiply. Go for LCM. 8 9s is 72. So let us simplify further. 72 is the total. Divided by 8 will be 9. 9 into 4. 45 minus 72 divided by 9 will be 8. 8 into the numerator, that is 3, 24. So 45 minus 24 will be 21 by 72. That is for Suchit. Next is Chandru's gain. Chandru is the third partner. Remember, his new ratio, you have to underline new ratio or in the ratio of, okay, 3 by 8 minus his old ratio. Chandru is the third partner. So 4:3:2, that is 9. So 2 by 9, that is equal to, again, the numerator is same, 8 into 9, that is 72. So now 72 divided by 8, it is 9. 9 into 3, 27 minus, so 72 divided by 9, that will be 8. 8 into 2, 16. So 27 minus 16 is 11. 11 by 72. Therefore, gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru is equal to 21:11. So we can also mention otherwise 21 by 72 and 11 by 72, that is equal to 21:11. That is the final answer. For this, you will get 6 marks. Next problem, page 51, problem number 2, 6 marks question again. Vani, Rani and Soni are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. Soni retires from the firm. You have to see the Soni, third person, so retires from the firm. Vani and Rani agreed to share equally in future. Underline equally in future. Calculate gain ratio of Vani and Rani. Underline the words equally in future. Problem number 2, page 51. Same ratio. We'll see the new ratio. I told you to underline equally, agree to share equally in the future. So 2 partners will be having equal, means 1/2. So who are they? One is gain. One by 2 is the new ratio, a new share. Old share, check one is the first person, Rani is the second person, Soni is the third person. Old ratio is 4:3:2. Add 4:3:2, that becomes 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 4/9 for Vani. So let us go for LCM. 2 into 9, 18 for the numerator multiplication. Then the denominator values, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. 9 into 1 is 9 only, minus. Next, 18 divided by 9, that is equal to 2. 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. So if you simplify, 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 divided by 18. Next, partner, name, Rani. So Rani also gets equal share. Old ratio of Rani will be second partner 3. If you add all the 3 as I told, it becomes 3 by 9. Three by 9. So take an LCM. Now again, so LCM remains same. 2 into 9, that is 18. But to go for the numerators calculation. So 18 divided by 2, same, that is 9. 9 into 1, that becomes 9 only. Minus 18 divided by 9 is 2. 2 into 3, 6. So if we simplify further, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 by 18. Therefore, gain ratio of Vani and Rani is equal to 1 by 18 and 3 by 18. You can see denominators are same, so we can eliminate the denominators. If denominators are different, we have to be careful. So 1:3 is the gain. So problem number 5 I will work. Ashok, Anil and Ajay are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of half, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. Anil retires from the firm. Ashok and Ajay decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So future is 3:2. So Ashok and Ajay. Ashok is the first partner. Ajay is the third partner. So Anil is retiring. So be careful. Check who is the person retiring and you have to go for calculation. So Anil is retiring. So we have to first go for Ashok. Ashok's gain is equal to, see the new share of Ashok and Ajay, 3:2. So 3:2 means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So new ratio 3 by 5 minus old share of Ashok, first partner, that is half, 1 by 2. So let us go for LCM again. Multiply the denominators, 5 into 2, that is 10. Go for simplification of numerators now. 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 into 3, that is 6. Then 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. So simplify further. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 by 10 is Ashok's gain. Next is Ajay. Ajay is the third partner, remember. So it becomes 3:2 means Ajay will get 2 by 5. Ajay's share of old one is 1 by 5. Ajay's gain is equal to new share 2 by 5 minus old share. Have a look, 1 by 5. So go for LCM. Numerator 5 into 5, it is 25. Then 25 divided by 5, it is 5 itself. 5 into 2, 10 minus next 25 divided by 5, that is 5. 5 into 1, 5. That is equal to 5 by 25. The numerators are different.
So that becomes 1 by 5, no, sir?
1 by 10, correct?
No, sir. 5 by 25 becomes 1 by 5, no, sir?
Yeah. Now, if you're doing by, how will you do? See, we have to convert the smaller one into higher one or higher one into smaller one. We can decide. If you simplify this, it can be 1 by 5. So now you have here 1 by 10. You have here 1 by 5. So now convert 1 by 5 into the numerator 10. So then what happens here is, when you multiply this by 2, you will get 2 by 10. So this is 1 by 10. So this is 2 by 10. So gain ratio of Ashok and Ajay is equal to 1 by 10 and 2 by 10. That is equal to 1:2. Now I will move on to calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Here it is. Problems on calculation of new profit sharing ratio, NPSR. Short form of new profit sharing ratio is NPSR. I'll go for problem number 7. Okay, that is page 51. Problem number 7. Naveen, Suresh, and Tarun are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. So it is an old ratio. So if you add all the three, 5:3:2, it becomes 10. So 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. Next, Suresh retires from the firm. Suresh is the second partner, remember. Suresh will go means Naveen and Tarun will remain in the business. Continue here. And his share is acquired by Naveen and Tarun in the ratio of 2:1. The word you have to watch here is the word acquired by. So the retiring partner share is taken over by Naveen and Tarun in the ratio of 2:1. Calculate NPSR. So this is bit tougher than the gain ratio working. So problem number 7. ascertaining or ascertainment of new profit sharing ratio of remaining or continuing partners. The first one, step one. Two steps are there. So share gained is equal to retiring partners share multiplied by gain ratio of remaining partners. So first I will take up share gained by you will see who is the person. So Suresh is retiring, so Naveen will be the first person. Share gained by Naveen, retiring partners share. So Suresh is retiring. Suresh share is going to be second one. There is 3. In the old ratio, you have to check, remember. So 3 by 10 multiplied by. So here, remember, Naveen and Tarun is sharing in 2:1, acquiring in 2:1. So 2:1 means if you add 2:1 or 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. So 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is equal to multiplying the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 into 3 is 6 by 10 into 3 is 30. Next, share gained by the last partner, that is Tarun. So Tarun share is actually 2 by 10. Multiplied by the gain, what they are getting, 2:1, that becomes for Tarun, second partner, 1 by 3. So multiply again the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 by 30. So I can go for simplification here. Common numbers are 30 here. So all are in the divisible by 2. Divisible by 3 you can do. So 2 I will do otherwise. 2 by 10 here. And here if I do, it becomes 1 by 10. I can take as it is, no problem. Then also step 2.
So how is it 1 by 10, sir?
One second. What is the ratio here? Yeah, not 1 by 10. Sorry. It is 2 into 2 by 30. So we can't do it otherwise. 1 second. Divide by 2. It's not possible. Yeah, correct. Because we have, we'll get here a different one. So let us go for that only. 6 by 30 and 2 by 30 only will go for. So calculation of new.
Sir, if you divide by 2, you'll get, no, sir, 3 by 15 and 1 by 15.
That can be done.
Okay,
So
sir.
3 by 15 we can do. Yeah, 1 by 15 we can do. Yeah, correct. We can do. So next is new share is equal to, like we had done earlier, old share minus share gained first we have to go for new share of Naveen. So old share of Naveen we have to take. Naveen's old share is 5 by 10 minus gain ratio of remaining the partner, that is 3 by 15. So we have to simplify here again through LCM. 10 into 15, 150. So 150 divided by 10 is 15. 15 into 5, 75 minus. So 150 divided by 15 is 10. 10 into 3, 30. That is equal to 75 minus 30, 45 divided by 150. Next, new share of Tarun. Tarun's old share. Tarun is the last partner. Tarun's old share is 2 by 10. Remember, minus 1 by 15. I'll go for again LCM. LCM remains the same for the denominator remains the same. 150 because 10 into 15. So 150 divided by 10 is 15. 15 into 2, 30 minus 150 divided by 15 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. Simplify further. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 divided by 150. New share of Naveen and Tarun is equal to 45 by 150 and 20 by 150. So can we go for 5 as the reduction one? Because we can't go by 10. If it is 5 means 9 by 30 and 4 by 30. Can we divide further and not possible? Check once again. The calculations are right ones.
Sir, share gained by Tarun, it is 3 by 10 into 1 by 3, no, sir?
Retiring partners share. Yeah, here it is. Correct. 3 by 10 into 1 by 3. Okay. Becomes 3 by 30. Then we can go for divided by
3.
3. 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. Two by 10 and 1 by 10. The denominator will change now. 100, 10 into 5, 50, 20, 30 by 100. So here 10 into 2, 20. So 30 by 100 and 10 by 100. So if you cancel by 10, three by 10 and 1 by 10. Check now. I have done a mistake. 1 second. I have to go for plus, not minus. I've done a mistake. 1 second. Because it is old share plus gain, not minus. Yeah, 1 second. Plus gain 70 and 30. Not minus, it is plus gain done by them. 7:3. Seven is to 3.